Today I'm going to show you how to change your Fiverr username. This is something many sellers and buyers want to do to better reflect their brand or services. So let's walk through what's actually possible and how to make the change. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to your Fiverr dashboard where you can access all your account settings and features. Now look up to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view how your account appears to others on the platform. Here's something really important you need to know. You can't directly change your Fiverr username once your account has been created. Your username is actually permanent in the 2026 interface. This means the unique identifier that appears in your profile URL and tags cannot be modified after your initial setup. Fiverr has this restriction in place to maintain consistency and prevent confusion among buyers and sellers who may have already interacted with your account. However, there is an alternative way to update how your name appears to others. You can change your display name, which is what's shown publicly on your profile and in search results. This is what most people see when they interact with you on Fiverr, so updating it can still give you the fresh identity you're looking for. To do this, look at the left panel on your profile page. You'll see your current name displayed there. Right beside your name, you'll notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click on that Edit button to make changes. Once you've clicked it, your name field will become editable. Delete the previous name that's currently there and type in your new name. This is the name that will be displayed across your gig's messages and profile, so choose something professional that represents you or your business well. After you've typed in your new name, simply click outside the text field. Fiverr will automatically save your changes without requiring you to press a Save button. Your new display name is now live and will be visible to anyone browsing your profile or services. And that's it. While you can't change your actual username, updating your display name gives you the flexibility to rebrand yourself on Fiverr without losing your account history or reviews. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.